Hello, so this is the experimental part. I already discussed about the experimental part, but still, like, if you have any confusion, that's why. So in the experimental part, it's very simple, but it has a lot of waiting time. So normally, previously people, like, we were doing the lab in 2 days, but nowadays, as I told to my students that at the beginning of the semester, that one lab has to stay on the lab for a long time. So this is the lab actually. So we expect to be there, to be in the lab for like more than 4 hours. Around 5 hours you need to be in the lab, only 1 day. Okay, so this is the lab. You are lucky that you don't have to stay here, stay in the lab. Okay, so for this lab experimental part, you need to have 9 big test tube on each group. Each group will have 9 test tube. Okay, so it has two parts. So first part is the 6 test tube you will use. Okay, 6 test tube. So first 6 test tube you will use for the first part. What will you do? Test tube number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will write it down on that way. So then we will have a water bath, having the temperature 20 degrees Celsius. Try to look at this, 20 degrees Celsius. So you have a water bath with the 20 degrees Celsius temperature. So then what will happen? So you will put all of the test tube 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 test tube inside the bath, and inside the water bath, and inside the water bath, and then you will keep it. You will have 20 ml of 0.5 molar. On each of them you have 20 ml of 0.5 molar sodium hydroxide. As I said, we are going to add excess amount of the sodium hydroxide, so the rate of the reaction becomes it becomes the first order reaction. Okay, so we are going to, so you will take that, and then you have to wait for the 10 minutes at least. Why this 10 minutes wait? So that the temperature inside the water became the same. Okay, so if you wait for 10 minutes, then after 10 minutes the temperature inside the test tube, liquid inside the test tube, will be same as the liquid outside the test tube. So these are the water is 20 degree, so the inside will be the 20 degree as well. So then first test tube, this is the first test tube, then you are going to add 0.1 molar is 1 ml of ethyl acetate. Okay, so if you are going to add 0.1 ml of ethyl acetate, then after adding, then so before adding, first of all you have to take the conductance. Okay, you know how to do the conductance. So you put the conductance and then measure the conductance, and after that, when the conductance will be stable, then you are going to add 0.1 ml of ethyl acetate, and after adding you have to stir it a little bit so that the reaction goes in process. So then after some times, what will happen at the beginning? Suppose the conductance is here. At the beginning, conductance will decrease sharply. Okay, as the concentration of the both reactants are very high, so it decreases sharply. Then later on it will be like this. Okay, so first what will you take the reading for 15 minutes continuously by stirring the mixture, then keep it and take the reading after 1 hour. So after 1 hour, then you have to take the reading again. So it will plateau. So suppose this is an 1 hour. After 1 hour the reaction is done. Okay, then you are going to take the reading again here. Okay, x infinity. This is the x naught, this is x infinity. So same things you are going to do for the test tube number 2, test tube number 3, test tube number 4, test tube number 5. So for this 5, what you are going to do? You are going to add 0.1, 0.3, 0.5, 0.7 for the test tube number 4, 0.9 for the test tube number 5. But for the test tube number 6, we will give you the unknown. Okay, so from the unknown you will do the same thing, but you have to find out what is the concentration of the unknown. Okay, now take a look at this part 2. So this is the done with the part 1. In all cases you are going to take the reading after 1 hour also. First you have to take 15 minutes continuously, then you will keep it and you will start doing this, and after finishing the lab you will take the reading after of all of this. Okay, so second part. In the second part, you have taken 9 big test tube. You have 3 left. Test tube number 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so 20 ml of 0. Same thing, 20 ml of 0.5 molar of this. Here we did it the temperature, keeping the temperature constant. Here changing the temperature, but the amount of the ethyl acetate will remain constant. Clear? The amount of the ethyl acetate will remain constant. So then ethyl acetate, 0.5 ml of ethyl acetate we are going to add. Then you are going to add 0.5 ml of ethyl acetate to the test tube number 7. Okay. Then you are going to do again same thing like this. Take the reading for 15 minutes continuously and then keep it in the thermostat for 1 hour. So do the for the number 8 test tube. Then you are going to add 20 ml of 0.5 mol of sodium hydroxide. This is 30 degrees Celsius. This is same for all. This is 9 test tube. This is for the 35 degrees Celsius, and this is same for all. Okay. So then if you do that, then you will get the all data for the table 1 and table 2. I'll give you the table 1 and table 2. You will do the lab report. Take care. Bye bye.